So I just got to Be Balanced in Bluebell, PA. We're going to give you guys a little tour of the place. So I'm going to take you guys inside Be Balanced. It's such a gorgeous place, and I really just wanted you guys to see how gorgeous it is. Let's go. So when you first walk in, there'll be a seating area. This is going to be the waiting area. You'll wait here to meet with your hormone balancing specialist. They'll offer you some tea or some water while you wait, and you'll basically fill out like a form, and then you'll go back and you will talk with your hormone balancing specialist. So you'll find a room back here. They were occupied, so I couldn't really go in them, but as you can see, it has like a spa vibe. It's very cool. And then these are the giveaway items I'm actually going to be giving away to you guys. There's a book in here by the founder, some jewelry, a bunch of stuff. You get like a little cup to drink out of, and you get some of the supplements. So make sure you enter the giveaway. I'm going to explain that a little bit later in the video. So I'm leaving my appointment. Everything went so well. I'm somewhat on track for the weight loss. I could probably, stand to lose a couple more pounds this week. But so far so good. I'm just it's been a rough week, you guys. It's been a little stressful as far as losing weight because I started working back overnight again. So it kind of threw off my sleep schedule, and it is really key when you're doing this program to sleep and to get the right amount of relaxation. So it's been tough doing that just because I'm trying to get acclimated again with my sleep schedule, with relaxing, with eating. When I work an overnight, when I come home, I eat and then pass out and go to sleep and wake up. So I'm trying to get back on track. It's just been crazy. Like the first week I was on my period. The second week I switched back to overnight, which was unplanned. I did not mean to do that. It's just something that kind of happened and worked out that way at work. So I do work a regular job, just so you guys know. I'm not a full-time blogger, so I did have to kind of readjust my eating schedule. So I've just been trying to get back on track with that. So my weight did kind of stay the same for a couple of days, and then for another couple of days it dropped. So I've just kind of been trying to keep track on that. It's been a rough week with staying on track with my eating situation. I do eat the right foods. I'm eating what I'm supposed to be eating on this diet, but it's just a matter of how many times a day I'm eating. So that is one thing I've noticed with being on this program, and I'm actually really happy with my results and just how things are turning out. We're right on time. I feel like this was probably where I was at last year around this time. So, it's been cool. I have no complaints so far, other than the fact that my personal schedule has changed. I really don't find any issues with the program. So I am back from my Be Balanced visit. Today I drove to Bluebell, PA, which you guys saw a little bit earlier, and I met with my hormone balancing specialist. We went over my progress, how I've been doing so far, how much weight I've lost, and just how much longer I have on the program. So I have up until a little after Easter on this program, so about a week and a half left. And so far I have lost a total of like 10 pounds. I think last time we spoke, or last time I did this video, I was like 5 pounds down. So I lose about 5 pounds every few days. I am happy with my progress. I do think my progress is a little bit slower than what it should be, but that's just a bunch of different factors coming into play here. My schedule has changed. I do not work during the day anymore. I work an overnight shift. I'm back to my old shift at my job. So that actually kind of counts against me because I work overnight. So during the day, I'm actually sleeping. So I don't get to eat as much as I should. As far as what I'm eating, I'm still following the program and eating the proper foods. It's more so of just how many times a day I'm eating, how often I'm taking my supplements and what I should be putting into my body and things like that, my water intake. So I really have to stick to the regimen, and I will say you do have to follow this to a T in order for it to get the best results. So for me, it's just been a little hard because I have had so much going on. Like, I don't want to get too personal with you guys, but I have had a lot of like personal family stuff going on. And then on top of that, my schedule at work has changed, plus on top of other obligations I've had going on. So like my life has just become super hectic the past couple of weeks, and if you live a stressful life, you guys, this is not the easiest program to follow. So I am trying my best to stick to everything, to eat as many times a day as they tell me to, but that's the hardest part. I think what I'm eating is fine because I'm used to eating like clean, not this clean, but I'm used to eating clean most of the time. This is super clean how I'm eating. One thing I will say is that my PCOS symptoms have definitely kind of slowed down a little bit. They're not as strong as they were. I used to have like really bad PCOS symptoms. I don't have severe PCOS, but the symptoms that I do have are like super like strong, if that makes sense. So I would have like the hair growth symptom, like 1 or 2 strands of hair here, and then I would get some like under my chin and down my neck, and I definitely had a little bit of a mustache going on, nothing crazy, but something was there, some peach fuzz. So I was like, no, you know, like it was getting really bad lately, and for me anyway, and I was just like, I gotta figure something out. So me going back on the program, I have noticed a slight change in that. I don't have as much hair growing on my face as I used to, and I do get waxed though every 2 weeks. I get my lip and my chin waxed. They will do that for you at the nail salon if you trust them. I trust my girl. I've been going to her for years. She's been waxing me, so we're good. So for me, I've just been taking care of that. And then what else? During my period, like I said last time, my period wasn't as bad. It was a little bit shorter than it was before. It wasn't as long as it normally is. It's usually like 7 days. I think this time around it was like 5 days. So that wasn't too bad. I didn't have as bad as PMS cramps as I usually do. So that was a blessing. Yeah, so I think just with that, with having a hormonal imbalance, I think this program really has helped because it has sort of balanced everything out in a way. I feel better. I don't have as much energy as I should just because I have been lacking sleep the past week or so. So that is the only thing I would say that has kind of stayed the same, is just I need more energy because I need to get more sleep, and I need to really do the relaxation. This new schedule of mine just is new. It popped up out of nowhere. It wasn't something that was planned. I had been not working that type of shift for 3 years now. So to go back to that and getting acclimated with kind of working overnight and then doing this program as well and sticking to the food and sticking to taking the supplements on time has definitely been a bit of a challenge. I mean, other than that, that's all I can really think of as far as like updating you guys. I'm down 5 more pounds. I'm 210 now, and I do feel like I look slightly different. I think you can really see it more in my face. I tend to lose weight in my face and in my legs faster than I do any other place on my body. My upper body is just stuff where I retain most of my weight. So if I start to lose weight, you guys will definitely start seeing it in my legs first, and you'll see it in my face a little bit more than anything else. So yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it. So in other news, we are doing a giveaway. I am teaming up with Bebalanced to do a giveaway for you guys. We are going to be giving away a goodie bag for you guys. It has like a bunch of goodies in it and just some information on the program. There will be some supplements in there, and there's also going to be like a book, a bunch of different stuff. I will put everything on my actual Instagram page, so Beauty by Ashley Chennel. You're gonna wanna follow me on Instagram, follow Bebalanced on Instagram, and you're also going to leave a comment under my picture. But all of the details and the rules and stuff will be on my actual Instagram page, Beauty by Ashley Chennel, and I will have everything that you guys need to know and what you need to do on there. If you guys are interested in actually joining the Be Balanced program or trying it out, if you have like a hormonal imbalance or if you just want to lose some weight, I will list all of the information below this video. It will have information on how to contact them, what you need to do to find a center near you. A lot of people were asking me questions before on how to get in contact with Be Balanced, how do you join the program, stuff like that. All of that information is on their website. They want you guys to go to their website to find out this information. So I'm just gonna leave everything underneath this video and you guys can contact them. I hope that this was helpful for you. If anyone is starting the program, leave a comment down below. I know one girl left a comment on my other video and said that she's also doing Be Balanced. I know a few people who are doing this program and really love it. So if you're doing it or if you're interested, leave me some comments and let me know where you guys are at in your program and how far you've come. I would love to hear your stories. Leave them underneath this video. Thank you so much, guys. I love you, and I'll talk to you in my next one. Bye.